Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to get verified on YouTube. Okay, you need to know that the process is very simple and easy. You just have to click on your profile icon on the top right side of your YouTube channel. Then you want to go and click on YouTube Studio. So now it will open this menu like so. You want to go and click on the settings option on the bottom left side. Then you want to go and click on channel, then go and click on feature eligibility. And here you have the standard features, which will be available once you have your channel. And here you have the intermediate features. And in order to have this intermediate features, you want to verify using your phone number as displayed right here. And after that, you have the advanced features. And here you can see you can use one of these in order to verify. You can use video verification, valid ID, channel history, and so on. Then you want to go and click on save. And if you want to start earning, you have to click on earn. And here it will tell you exactly how much time left in order to earn. Now, there are two main conditions for eligibility. The first one is to get 3,000 watch hours in the last 365 days, or 3 million views in the shorts in the last 90 days. And here you have the main eligibility conditions, which is having 4,000 hours in the last 12 months or 10 million in the last 90 days. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.